Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how exciting it is to manage your assets across different platforms. Today, I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer XDC from Kucoin to your Phantom wallet. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Kucoin account with some XDC in it, and your Phantom wallet installed and set up on your device. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app from the App Store or Google Play and create a wallet. Remember, always double-check your wallet address to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets section and find your XDC balance. Click on it to open the withdrawal page. Now, open your Phantom wallet app. Go to the wallet overview, select the account you want to use, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: ensure you're on the correct network. XDC typically uses the Shin-Fin network, so match that in both Kucoin and Phantom to prevent errors. Step 2. Back on Kucoin, paste the Phantom wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. They can vary, so keep an eye on your total cost. Once everything looks good, hit Withdraw and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation pop-up, so review it carefully before proceeding. After initiating the transfer, head back to your Phantom wallet and keep an eye on the Activity tab. It might take a few minutes for the XDC to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you're all set. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check that you selected the right network or contact Kucoin support. There you have it. Transferring XDC from Kucoin to Phantom wallet is straightforward once you know the steps. Always prioritize security in the crypto world, and double-check everything to keep your assets safe. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.